Hey everybody, welcome to this edition of Top 5 Tuesday. I am your host, Kate Dillon, and this is our Top 5 Tuesday for October 29th, 2024. And today I'm just going to highlight 5 of the products that are favorites around here. And if you have any questions, wherever you're watching this video, feel free to drop in a comment and I will circle back and I will try to answer that for you. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and move on to our first product. All right, so one of the top products we have here is our Stealth Carburetor. The version we're looking at right here is our 1.3. This is for a 602, for a 602 engine, and these are specifically set up to run E85. As you can see, that it's just a great looking carburetor. You've got some of the billet machine parts here, or billet center section, and an absolutely great presentation here. I've had several customers pick these up and done incredibly well with them. So we are thrilled to work with Stealth and have these carburetors. We try to have them on the shelf. We kind of rotate in and out. So we do have, this happens to be the one for the 602. So any questions about carburetors, go ahead and drop them in the comments. And you can also check out the product listing where there is an interview with Sam from Stealth that was shot at the Cars Racing Show in 2024. So with that, let's go ahead and show you another product. Okay, so a great product we have around here, of course, for years we've been selling our Joe's water outlets, and they look just like this, where it's coming straight up. But then if you needed to, on the front of your engine there, if you needed to make a 90-degree turn, then you would have to use another fitting. And so what's really cool is they've come out with this product right here. And so it already has the 90-degree built into it. And that way you can be really low profile with it as well, with your water outlet, and get you straight to your radiator. So we have these in a dash 16 or as a dash 20. So right now I'm showing the dash 16, both the straight up as well as the 90-degree. And then of course we've got the dash 20s that look exactly the same. So these are a really popular product, and it just allows you to be more versatile with how you're going to set up your plumbing system with your crate engine. So that's what I've got for you here. Very popular product around here is our Daytona 1 spray lube. Now this you can use, not just in racing applications, but anywhere that you would need a spray lubricant. Think anywhere you would use WD-40, spray lube is a great choice for that. Personally, I use it on door hinges and I love using it on locks as well. But what you'll find with other spray lubes is that normally, in order to be an aerosol, they are packaged with an accelerant. Because you have an accelerant, then you're actually taking away from the purity of the product. And what is really cool about these spray lube containers from Daytona 1 is that there's a bladder in here that is pure product, and then it is designed, it's a special design that can make sure that you can have the pure product and that you don't have an accelerant that's built into the product. Also with the special design of the bottle, it means you can even spray it if you were upside down or sideways or any of those things, and you'll be able to do that. So the spray lube, it's great for anywhere, like I said, anywhere you need to have that a little bit of extra lubrication and in a spray application, and it's also a clean. It's not going to attract dust to it either. So spray lube, one of our top products, always available at CrateInsider.com. One of the most popular questions we receive is, which is the most popular of all of our wheels? And I'm gonna have to answer that and say it is our black beadlock. It's really neat with the powder coated, these are all aluminum, and so it's the same as the polished, except for with being powder coated, it just makes it stay cleaner so much longer. And I really have to say I love the contrast between the black and the polish that you see on this beadlock ring. A question I just received this last week, which I hadn't even thought of, was somebody asked if these were equipped with valve stems, and in fact they are. So you're already set up, and you can just mount this right onto your tire, or mount your tire onto your wheel, and you've already got your valve stem right there. Great question. And what's really unique about these Kaiser wheels is that they're a 3-piece wheel design. And that means if you find yourself in a situation like where you run into a wall and crush the part of a wheel, that doesn't mean that wheel is junk. It just means that it can be taken apart and you can actually replace this. So this is obviously one that that took the brunt of all the damage right here, but we were able to salvage this wheel with just replacing this outer half right here. So that makes it nice, so that way you can know that you're investing in some of your racing products and not just consuming them. So the Kaiser wheels, especially the black beadlocks, are our most popular wheel, and if you have any questions about these wheels, feel free to drop them in the comments. Very popular product here at Crate Insider is our track and recover kits right here. So these are designed to be able to put them onto a trailer like the one you see behind me, and that way you've got a GPS tracker that's on your trailer, because there's nothing like trying to call up in law enforcement and say, hey, wow, somebody stole my white trailer. And you know, I don't know how far anybody really gets with any of that. But the GPS tracker, there's no wires, you don't have to hook it up to a battery or anything. You can see the location from your phone, so it's very, very handy, and you can bet that there's at least one on this trailer right here. So that GPS tracker from Track and Recover, definitely highly recommend. I've used it for a couple years, and I have to say, it's just the accuracy. I mean, there's a little bit of drift, but you're always going to get that. But the accuracy of having that security of knowing where my trailer is, you just can't match that at all. And if you're looking for a great gift, especially coming up on any type of birthdays, anniversaries, or you know, even with Christmas right around the corner, the Track and Recover GPS tracker is a great way to go. And we've got them right here ready to send out at CrateInsider.com. So there you have it. Those are 5 highlighted products here at Crate Insider, and for October 29th, 2024. And of course, this week is Halloween. I hope you have a fantastic holiday. Good luck to all of those racers that are racing these specials this weekend. And, you know, hey, make sure you get out there and vote. You know, if you haven't already, next week is, of course, next Tuesday is voting day. We're not going to be here. Actually, we're going to be gone at a marketing conference. So we'll be closed next Tuesday, so no Top 5 Tuesday next week. But I want to thank you so much for watching. I will be watching for any of your questions and comments, and I'll do any kind of follow-up videos based on that. So again, thanks for being here, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a good one.